Minister's convoy road crash report. What really happened between Bombo and Wobulenzi? First thing first, what happened? A tragic road accident occurred on the evening of Sunday, 7 December 2025, along the busy Bombo Wobulenzi highway in Kalule, Luer district. The crash happened at approximately 7 p.m. involving a lorry and a UPDF security pickup that was part of the escort team for Honorable Huda Oleru, the Minister of State for Defense and Veteran Affairs. According to eyewitnesses' accounts, the lorry and the UPDF escort vehicle were involved in a violent head-on collision, leaving several soldiers trapped in the wreckage. Drivers, passengers, and residents from nearby trading centers rushed to the scene to intervene before emergency responders arrived. Tragically, one UPDF soldier died instantly at the scene. Another soldier, who had sustained severe injuries, was pronounced dead upon arrival at Bombo Military Hospital. Several others were evacuated with injuries of varying severity and immediately placed under medical care. Coincidentally, the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Honorable Norbert, was traveling on the same route with his convoy at the time. His vehicles arrived minutes after the crash had occurred. Serving the seriousness of the situation, Mao and his security detail stopped to assist in the rescue efforts. The minister and his team helped coordinate evacuation efforts, with Mao later confirming that they worked alongside concerned travelers and local residents to free the trapped soldiers and transport the injured to the hospital. What others say, online reports, rumors, and earlier claims. Moments after the accident, social media was flooded with claims that Minister Norbert Mao's convoy had been directly involved in fatal crash. The rumors gained momentum after a widely shared post by Pat Lar King, also known as Pat Larubi, of One Luo TV, which stated, latest, the convoy of Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs is suspected to be involved in a fatal accident between Bombo and Wobulenzi. Some UPDF soldiers, adding coffin emoji. The post, lacking official verification, quickly spread across Facebook, WhatsApp groups, and X, that's Twitter, leading to a wave of public concern and numerous calls to the minister's team. Additionally, other online commentators and political pages reproduced the same information, further reinforcing the belief that Mao's official vehicles had crashed. A few bloggers even speculated about Mao's condition, intensifying confusion. However, in the midst of the unfolding misinformation, Alleged George Lapi, a campaign manager associated with Mao, issued an early clarification. Good evening, members. I wish to state that Honorable Minister Mao is well. The accident happened ahead of his convoy and he only stopped to give support. This message attempted to calm the public, but the speculation persisted until an official statement from Mao was released. So here is what's true. Verified facts from Minister Mao's statement. To dispel the circulating rumors, Honorable Norbert Mao released a detailed statement providing an accurate account of the incident. In the statement, he confirmed the following facts. His convoy was not involved in the accident. The crash happened ahead of his vehicles and they only stopped to assist out of civic responsibility. The accident involved a lorry and UPDF escort pickup assigned to Honorable Hudu Oleru. Mao's team helped rescue the injured soldiers and coordinated with other bystanders. 2 soldiers lost their lives, one at the scene and one at the hospital. Several other injured soldiers were admitted for treatment. Minister Hudu Olero's official vehicle was not damaged and she was not physically affected. Mao also revealed that he contacted Defense Minister Oboth, who mobilized medical teams from Bombo Military Hospital, and he also spoke directly to Honorable Hudu Olero. In concluding his statement, Mao expressed condolences to the families of the key soldiers and wished the injured a quick recovery.